Hello everyone, welcome to grade 3 social science. And today in social science we are going to use the topic using directions. None other than streams of dreams. So let's understand the directions. Just go through this diagram. N says north, W says west, S says south, E says east. There are four main directions: north, south, east, and west. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Compass and a direction finder. Now see, again there is a diagram in which we are going to find the directions. This helps us. A compass points to the north, helps in navigations. Landmarks and directions. And this kind of a thing you must have seen when somebody opens their mobile to see the locations. So in this way, you may see landmarks, where to go, and this will help in finding the direction, how to go there. Then maps and directions. These are kind of maps. That's the way ahead. Maps shows directions using a compass. Roads, cities and countries are marked. Why directions are important. This is why it is important. Used in navigation, travel, and daily life. The directions are important. They help us to locate places accurately. Here we come to an end of this chapter. So here I have the worksheet using directions. In this, you will be given some names here and there are some fill in the blanks to fill on. Like the bakery is on the dash the bank. See, where is the bank? Where is the bakery? Is it on left? It is on right. It is on north left, north right, south left, south, right, southeast, northeast. This is how you're supposed to write here. So these kind of directions you need to mention on this worksheet. And a simple criteria, write your name on the worksheet and send me back in the comment section so that I should also be confirmed that you know this chapter well. Now your task begins. That is, do like, share, comment in the comment box how do you like the video, as well as do send me back your worksheet. Press the bell icon and subscribe to my channels for further notifications. This is what it says: study smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching.